So in number 72 here, this is a really good one to really like read the directions on this one because it does a really good job of kind of defining this term of like rationalizing the denominator. This is like a really common thing that we use in algebra because dealing with square roots in the denominator is actually just really annoying for the most part. And so oftentimes we use this technique called rationalizing the denominator to basically get the square root out of the denominator and into the numerator. So this, if you were to read it, I'm not going to do that. It kind of just walks you through an example. And so basically all it's talking about is multiplying the denominator by itself. And anything you need to do to the denominator to keep it the same is I need to also multiply it by the numerator. This is one of those things where I talked about in class that this is a giant 1, right? I'm multiplying this by 1, meaning I'm not changing the value, I'm just changing the way that it looks. So the top here ends up being 2 root 3, and the bottom, root 3 times root 3, is either root 9, but that really should just simplify to a whole number. And again, that's the whole goal, is that we're trying to get rid of the square root in the denominator. So second one here, same idea, root 2 over root 2. So I got 2 root 2 over 2, and just be careful because you may think, hey, I'm done, but just also see if there's anything that you can do to simplify, because 2 over 2 is 1. My final answer is really just the square root of 2. Now with C here, I have root 5 in the bottom. I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by root 5. I don't need to worry about the 3 because that's already a whole number, and we're fine with that being in the denominator. So what we get on the top is 2 root 5, and then I have 3 times root 5, which is just 5. So my final answer will be 2 root 5 over 15.